Hello. This presentation is a showcase of A&TES, a predictive maintenance solution developed by Hanwha Systems ICT. Hanwha Systems ICT incorporates SI/SM solution development and cloud services into operating scope, acting as an IT and cloud technological partner also versed in business operations. Digital transformation within the manufacturing industry is evolving to drive data-driven decision-making processes, maximize profits, and transform traditional work methods using big data predictive maintenance capabilities, whereas conventional processes primarily focused on explaining and examining cause. Practice is evolving to comprehensively promote data-based decision-making and forecast future problems. Asset management strategy can be segmented into the following tranches. PdM conducts reactive maintenance relying on operator experience. PdM utilizes data from sensors to monitor for anomalies or breakdown of assets. These processes are evolving to incorporate predictive capabilities or PdM, with global industry leaders utilizing PdM-based strategies to cost-effectively manage assets. Predictive asset maintenance provides the benefit of reducing the total cost of operations. Early alert and analytics are used to detect anomalies in advance, aided by new digital transformation technology. The expansion of digitalization coupled with demand requests for new optimization techniques have all added to the global trend development of predictive maintenance systems, with expectations to increase labor and production productivity, decrease risk of various hazards, and streamline inventory. Predictive asset maintenance solutions can thus be defined as comprehensive total solutions which prevent unscheduled shutdowns and unnecessary repair costs by proactively predicting and responding to the observed anomalies of operating assets, whereas conventional systems rely heavily on operator experience and set schedules, resulting in analysis only upon breakdown. Predictive asset maintenance solutions provide early warning of anomalies while also considering strategic business decisions and providing detailed and all-round analytics and diagnostics. PdM, or predictive maintenance, is an advanced methodology which forecasts asset failure and time, allowing for idealized maintenance ahead proactively. By forecasting potential issues, PdM allows for countermeasures to be taken before critical points, importantly preventing unscheduled shutdowns and maximizing both operating efficiency and productivity. PdM takes into consideration asset life cycles and is rolled out in a series of phases. Time-optimal flagging of anomalies allow for optimal response measures to be taken, with analytics optimizing asset productivity and allowing for extensive forecasts. Thus, PdM is not a generic template, but is intelligently individualized for different assets. A&TES provides two types of forecasting models. The first model predicts signs of asset failure, utilizing both data of the asset itself and of production processes to significantly enhance confidence and significance levels. The operations of assets can also be trained via model, so that accurate forecasts can be made even for high performance or new assets with little to no previous breakdown history. The second model provides diagnostics for fault cause. Fault cause analysis utilizes AI-based diagnostics, able to extract the weighted variable causes of failure, providing client-optimized diagnostics and prognostics. A&TES provides similar services to that of competitors, analyzing data real-time, providing alerts, and forecasting signs of fault. Where A&TES differentiates itself over other solutions is that it not only incorporates data collected from assets, but also from that of operational processes, ERP, and others, to integrate analysis and more reliably forecast causes and signs of asset faults and breakdowns. Additionally, A&TES also has the ability to interpolate blanks and gaps of missing data, further adding to forecast viability and reliability. A&TES has been successfully implemented into both the petrochemical and defense industries, currently being executed in other sectors and projects as well. In the petrochemical case, predictive maintenance systems were successfully implemented in compressors, providing real-time monitoring of compressor data, providing early alert services, and attributing potential fault probability of subsidiary parts. In the defense industry, A&TES provided visualization of real-time monitoring data for thermal imaging equipment, utilizing collected data as a base for deep learning and providing diagnostics for the operational state of thermal imaging assets. Current operational state of the equipment is also being used to reliably forecast performance metrics of the asset in future deployment cycles. This concludes the showcase of predictive maintenance solution at A&TES by Hanwha Systems. Thank you.